Excuse me. I need to rubbish here for me.
Oh yeah, you got rubbish.
I swear to
Azam.
Just go this side, please. Please,
Go rubbish me.
Go.
Go rubbish me pẹ̀lú hairstyle mi báyìí. Kí ló ṣe lè?
Excuse me,
Two people coming into the school.
Excuse me,
With their rough head, students. I'm an ex-student.
Just go.
Don't push me.
I say just go.
Wetin person no go see for this Nigeria? You struggle finish school, go institution where dem say na for adult. Next thing dem begin dey treat you like pikin wey dey wear pampers. Na hairstyle dey vex dem now o. Yabatech. Abeg make una hear this matter well. Na TalkAm As E Be channel na im we dey. Na me be Ozo Baba. Your money is my money, my money is your money. Okay, my people, one viral video don dey fly up and down for internet. One ex-student of Yabatech College of Technology, dem no allow her enter the school gate because wait for am. Hairstyle, just hairstyle. Yes, so you hear me well? Because say the guy rock hair wey the school security no like. Dem bounce am for gate like say na night club. We no get table. But I wan ask, why would they send our children go higher institution? Not be to become adult, reason well, and learn life for themselves. Abi na to still dey treat them like nursery school baby wey dem go dey force feed? Make we lis ten to wetin the guy talk for himself.
Go this side, please. Please,
Go rubbish me.
Go.
Go rubbish me pẹ̀lú hairstyle mi báyìí. Kí ló ṣe lè?
Excuse me,
Two people coming into the school.
Excuse
With
me,
their rough head, students. I'm an ex-student.
just go.
Don't push me.
I say just go.
Telling me. I have a business in this school. You are telling me what is the reason why I cannot enter this school?
You know I talk to
What is the reason why I cannot enter this kind of thing?
Just look my
Are you
face.
telling me?
Look my face, I'm talking to you. Just shoot back.
If I slap you,
What's the time? Who don't time?
Màá lù ẹ́
Who don't talk to? See, if I slap you, I slap you. See, I'm good now.
Since you don't coming in with rough hair, you are telling me that I must stay outside because of my inappropriate hair. You have trained me to know my rights, and now I'm telling you that I need an hairstyle permit for me to enter the campus. You are telling me, what are you telling me? Why am I not allowed to enter this campus? I must have a reason, a reasonable reason, a tangible one, because I need it.
You should calm down.
Mr. Man, what are you telling me?
You should calm down. You calm down. Stay one side.
So bẹ́ẹ̀ náà lẹ train mi kí o fi mọ right mi nínú school yẹn wọ́n sọ fún mi pé mi ò lè wọnú campus mo ní business mi but I have something that worth more than 2 million naira. You are telling me that you stay outside.
Okay, una don hear wetin the guy talk? Na so dem go say you no fit wear this, you no fit wear that. Cut your hair, bend your neck. Hey, na wow. No be say the guy dey carry weapon o, or say him go fight anybody. Na ordinary hairstyle. You no even dye am red or pink or blue. Okay, so tell me now, hairstyle go determine whether person go learn or not? Abi we dey use scissors dey measure intelligence now? We go dey shout, youth are the leaders of tomorrow. Youth are the leaders of tomorrow. But we no wan make them express themselves today. Na so tomorrow go dey fall yakata for us o. If no be say Nigeria be one kind country, why hairstyle abi haircut go become crime? Man, people, make una talk true. You think say the school do well or dem carry power do pass themselves? Even security sef wan break person phone. Okay, drop your comment below. Make we yarn am as e be. No sugarcoat, no filter. Na raw truth we dey serve here. Na your guy Ozo Baba. Your money is my money, my money is my money. TalkAm As E Be. Don't forget to like, share, and press that subscribe button. E go shock you wetin dey come next.
I have been sorry for over a week now. I don't have any mistake.
I really want stop you. We should not allow you to enter the
Say director ló máa sọ fún mi àbí CSOs. The CSOs has the hair that is more rougher than this, and now they are telling me that what am I supposed to do? These are appropriate hair. Focus the thing. Táwọn security gan ní tó lọ fìdí ó lè lọ. You're not telling me I should do what to this hair? What happened to my hair? See them, oh. He just came out of the campus now. See them. With the hair. And now I don't know the reason why they are still keeping me waiting at the gate. With no tangible reasons. My bro, please wait, no verse, I beg. I just want to take your listing. See them. With the hairstyle. And now they say I'll be dealt with without any tangible reasons. I was once a student of this school. I'm an ex-student. You understand? A man said for me, they saw me from Bafo. I have a right. It's not possible, sir. Oh, possible. You are doing rubbish. I'm doing rubbish as well. Tell me the rubbish that I'm doing. Can you please state it as a profession? Do I have manner? Are you telling me do I have manner?
Good morning. How are you?